Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you two methods to remove the notification virus like Tabula ads or other like that softwares from your POCO C50. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software, and we can try to remove it by the default settings. So we have to open the settings, go to the apps, tap on the manage apps, and check all of the apps that you have. Maybe a strange app, the app that you have not installed. If you see something like that, just tap on it, click uninstall and click OK. After that, go to the app list again and choose your web browser. Now tap on the storage and choose clear data. Now tap on the manage space and choose clear all data, configure it by OK, and your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download an Antivirus app. I'm always using Avast. You can also try to use any other app. Just install it and launch. After that, you have to grant permissions to the files, so do it and click scan now. I'm not sure why the scanning process doesn't start on my phone, but after that you shall see the scan type like a regular one and deep scan. I prefer always to use the deep scan, and after the scanning process all of the softwares, unwanted softwares, viruses should be deleted. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.